What if you could get rid of your kitchen garbage at the push of a button? Hey, I'm Matt from Pila, and I want to introduce you to my friend Lomi. At Pila, we're a team of engineers and material scientists, and we believe that waste can be designed out of your daily life. For the last 3 years, we've been creating something truly special, a solution to the world's garbage problem. Now, before I show you how Lomi is going to change the world, let's talk about why you're going to want one in your home. Maybe you live in a big city and have a green bin program. You know, those pesky little plastic bins with leaky bags under your sink that are amazing at producing that smelly, gross liquid sludge. Raccoons, anybody? Or maybe you don't have a green bin system where you live, and instead you throw all your food waste into the garbage, which then goes to landfill, which produces methane, which causes climate change, all while still smelling pretty terrible. Lomi makes your life so much easier. Lomi can compost your food waste, that pesky packaging from your online shopping, even compostable plastics, all at the push of a button. You probably know us as the inventors of the world's first compostable phone case. You may have even seen our Lomi campaign on Indiegogo, where we sold more than 20,000 units, raised $7 million, and became the most successful crowdfunding campaign of 2021. Pila customers have eliminated more than 41.8 million plastic bags worth of garbage in the last 4 years. Those 20,000 Lomis I was talking about, they're going to have even more benefit, preventing 1 million pounds of coal from being burnt. We're just getting started. We want to get a Lomi in every home and prevent more than 1 billion pounds of waste from going to landfill. To create Lomi, we've spent more than 3 years completing 1,000 compost tests, probably more, and endless hours of product design and prototyping. Lomi isn't just beautifully designed. We've created something never seen before, an elegant home appliance that takes care of your garbage so you don't have to, giving you back time to do things you actually enjoy. Food waste creates 300 billion pounds of garbage in North America every year. Packaging and plastic, add that on top, which makes the number even higher. Lomi makes home food waste a thing of the past and cuts your carbon footprint up to half, all while making odor-neutralized, mess-free dirt that you can feed your plants, toss in your garden, throw it in your green bin, and if you have to, throw it in your garbage. Together, we can do something that politicians and big businesses can't seem to take any action on, actually helping the planet. You can make trash a thing of the past. Click below to reserve your Lomi now and join the movement.